Let me show you how to design a poster in Adobe Photoshop. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Choose the black color and then press OK. Choose the Type tool. This is the font that I am using. Follow this process. Duplicate this layer like this. Let's change its color. Let's make it a bit bigger and adjust its position like this. Now choose the Marquee Selection tool. Follow these steps. Add a layer mask. Right-click on the mask and choose Add Mask to Selection. Right-click here and choose Select Inverse. We have selected this part. Choose this text layer and add a layer mask. Now choose this layer. Create a new group. Drag this layer inside the group like this. Right-click on the group and let's change its color. Let's also drag the mask to the group because we want to mask everything inside this group. Now drag your photo to Photoshop. Scale it down while holding the Shift button. Drag this layer inside this group. Hold Alt and click here to create a clipping mask. Press Ctrl T and adjust the image like this. Choose the image layer. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Levels. Click on this icon to only affect the layer below it. Let's make the image brighter like this. Choose this layer. Create a new layer over it. Right-click here and choose Create Clipping Mask. Set the foreground color to black. Choose the Brush tool. Choose the soft round brush. Reduce the flow. Follow this process. Now choose the Type tool. Follow these settings. Write your text. You can hide the letters layers to be able to write your text and unhide them later on. Follow these settings. Hold Alt and drag up to make a copy. Write your text. Now choose the Vertical Type tool. Write your text. This is the font that I am using. Follow these settings. Now choose the Type tool. Write your text. You can hide the letters layers to be able to write your text and unhide them later on. This is the font that I am using. Follow these settings. That's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.